You may come across many troubles of wiring jobs when using household appliances. What you need is a magical wiring gadget. The installation is quite simple. Step 1. Pull the output plug. Step 2. Cut off the skin of the power cord. Attention, please make sure the power is off. Step 3. Plug the power cord into the adapter. If you need to use ceiling-mounted or wall-mounted appliances, you can directly plug the power source into the adapter. Then the installation is finished. The magical wiring gadget works perfectly whenever you need it.